Hi, we're here today to show you the Linked Ultimate software. This is an automation tool for LinkedIn.com, and it will literally automate all your leads, adding, posting, everything you need to do in LinkedIn to gain either clientele or leads. So the first thing we're going to come across is the status updater. You can put in your information here for your account login. Then you can use spun syntax here for your message to be posted. Hovering over the question marks will give you information on the areas as well. This gives you an example of how spun syntax is used. If you have a link that you want to be posted inside there, go ahead and post it here. This also allows for spun syntax in both the areas. If you want to repost it automatically every X amount of minutes, click on Schedule Posts and put the time frame here in minutes that you want it to automatically repost. It'll spin your spin syntax and post again for you. The next tab we have is the LinkedIn Recently Viewed. Put in your information, put in what type of search criteria you want to use, and usually you're not going to use level 1 connections unless you want to show up on their recently viewed list, but you'll use group member connections, level 2, level 3, and everyone else. Set the wait time in seconds that you want to randomly wait on each profile before going to the next one. The longer the distance between this, say like 1 to 5, this will be a lot more humanized than say putting 4 to 5 seconds. Okay, so you can set this accordingly on how you'd like to set it. Keywords list, 1 per line in a .txt file. This is going to search these keywords, grab the users, visit their profiles, and so forth. Now, for normal accounts that are not premium accounts, you are allowed 100 views per day. However, you can purchase a premium account or a next level up or what have you within LinkedIn to allow for more views. The more people you view and it shows up in the recently viewed on their accounts, the more you get seen and the more likely you are for them to navigate to your profile and possibly request you as a connection as well. You can set the maximum number of profiles to be viewed before it randomly waits a min-maximum time in seconds before the next batch starts. So you set the maximum here of profiles that you want to view and then the min and max wait time here in seconds. Message contacts. You're going to put your information in, your subject and content, which does allow for spin syntax as well. This is resizable if you'd like, and just hit run at the very top of the software, and it will go ahead and send those messages to those individuals. At the very bottom of the software, it will have a browser. It's not shown here in this video, but it will have a browser on the very bottom, and it allows you to see things get done as it goes through doing it. Searching for connections, we're going to put in the LinkedIn username and password, your keywords list, 1 per line, and then choose here whether or not you want to export the results or connect with the results. Okay, so this gives you the option to export the results so that you can go through them first or not. If you chose to export, choose your save to.txt file here, and it'll save all the links to the different profiles for you. Choose the type of connections that you want to make. Level 1, you're already connected to them. So unless you want to just grab the links of all the people you're connected to, you're going to use group members connections, level 2 or level 3, and everyone else. Level 2s are a lot easier to connect with than level 3s and everyone else as well. Delay in seconds between pages and searches. This helps randomize a little bit. Choose the country, if applicable, for your searches. Seniority level for premium accounts and higher. You can check by seniority as well. Set the maximum number of people you wish to connect to here. Click run and it will continue to search and find connections for you. If you chose to save that list of results, you can come here to the Add Connections tab where you can choose that file after you edit it or remove or add links to it if you'd like. You can check this box to connect with the suggested that LinkedIn suggests that you connect with. Or if you want to just go through the file connecting with people, you can choose that file here. Put your message here for optional using spin syntax as well. And when connecting with the users, it will connect with the suggested all at once. So as soon as it logs in, it'll connect with all the suggested and then start going through your list for you. Underneath request from URL, you can select a list of URLs, again from that search tab that you saved. However, this gives you an option of how to connect with them. And you can choose from colleague or friend with an optional spun syntax message here, or regular text if you'd like as well. Let me just tab over here to open up our other ones. Connection request people you may know. So put in your user and password, or select a multiple accounts file with email, pass, and you can even attach a proxy to that list as well per account. Choose whether or not you have 500 contacts or not, yes or no. Maximum per batch. Now this means that it's going to go through and request the people per account that you chose here, if multiple accounts, or in the single account if you chose just these top details. And it'll do this many before it waits in seconds between the randomized minimum and maximum wait time here in seconds before it does the next batch. You can also look for your keywords in the tagline, summary, experience, skills, or the entire profile. Put your keywords one per line here, and keywords must show up in that area in order for it to request the connection. So this helps to be extremely targeted with your requests. Remove connection requests, just insert your account details or multiple accounts and hit run. This will go in and clear out any open requests that you have sent out, because LinkedIn does have limitations on the maximum number of requests that you have sent out. So you can leave them sit for a while and then clear them all out with this tool here. Joining open groups. Choose a save2.txt file, put in your keyword, and it will find open groups related to your keyword that will save to a file. Then you can come over here to the join groups from list. Choose that list of links after you've edited it, added some, whatever the case may be. Choose the file, how many you want to join, put in the minimum amount here, and it will check that as well before it joins the group. Again, these all have little question marks next to them that help you figure out what each item is as well. Group dispatcher. Put in your subject, link if any, and the post, and it will post this out into all of the groups for you at once. Group poster. Put in your title, your post, link, the link text. Now this is the clickable text that'll show up inside the post that's made, and you can choose whether to post it in group discussion, job discussion, or promotion. Now each one of these also have the little things here that will help you determine what each item is. This will automatically post out to the groups for you in the specified section. It will grab all your groups and then ask you in a pop-up whether or not you want to post in all of them. All you've got to do is click next to them to the left, press and hold Control, and you can click multiple groups to remove them so that they don't post in all the groups and only the ones you select. Once you do so, hit OK, and it will continue on to make those posts for you. Group Messenger. Put in your subject and content, maximum messages to send, your delay between each message in seconds, and whether or not you want to search for someone. Basically, it's going to go into the group, go to the members area, and if you put a search for it, it's going to search such as CEO. We could put CEO here, and it will look for all CEOs within that group that we went into. Then it'll start messaging all of the members with those search criteria or with no search, and it will message all of those users with your subject and content, waiting the delay in seconds between each message for the maximum amount of messages to send. If you want to send to mass amounts, go ahead, just put in a large amount of number here, and it will thumb through them for you, no problem. Hopefully you've liked our video, and if you have any questions, please ask. Thank you.